Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. Like you see back there, this is the headquarters of Facebook. And unfortunately, their security is pretty high, so this is going to be as far as I could get. Now, very much like the Googleplex, there are multiple complexes that Facebook owns, and so that's where all the employees are. But this is it. This is actually Hacker Way. This is in the Menlo Park area. And so if you want to know where all your Facebook feeds, your Instagram posts are coming from, it's right here in Facebook. And then as you can see here, this is a very busy intersection right here. And then there's security, so you can't turn in without going through security. So Facebook, thumbs up, except they don't let me go inside and look. So maybe a thumbs down. So thanks a lot for watching. If you got any thoughts on this, be sure to leave a comment. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.